Welcome back to another video, and in this video we will talk about PHP arithmetic operations. So what are the arithmetics sign, or what is arithmetic operation actually? Now I'll explain everything using example. Here you can see I have declared two variable, value 1 and value 2, and we have some integer value inside it, and now I want to add them. So to add them I just need a variable, let's say result, because I want to add them and I want to keep their result inside this new variable. So what I have to do here, I have to say $val1 or value1 plus $value2. So this plus is actually called arithmetic operators, and we have bunch of different arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division, mod or modulation, and there is square, then increment, decrement. So let me just show you one by one. Here you can see this is called addition, and that is done by using plus arithmetic operator here. And if I output it, so let me just echo it, and I will say the result is, use curly braces here, and I will mention the variable here. And now if I go to the browser, if I refresh, you can see our result is 30, because 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. Now we have another arithmetic operator, that is minus. So let me just copy it. I'll say here result 2, and here we just have to use negative sign, minus sign, right? So it will give us subtraction value, and that is called subtraction. So we have to mention one more echo here, and let me just add a br so that it goes in the new line. It break the line here, and then let me just echo it once again, paste here, and I will say the result is result 2. And now if I go to the browser and refresh, now you can see the subtraction, and that is 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. If I use here value 2 and if I use here value 1, then the result will be minus 20. Let me refresh, and here you can see the result minus 20. So this is how you can do arithmetics operations. And now, you know, if you want multiplication, you just have to give here a star sign, and then if you want to divide something for the division, so you just have to use this sign. And one more sign we have, that is called modulation, and so if you want to do modulation in between them, you can use this sign. So these are very basic. Now I will remove them. Let's say increment and decrement. So what is increment? Increment is adding something value, adding
And I think I'm thinking.
increment actually increase the value, right? And decrement will decrease the value. So how to increment something? So here if I say that result is equal to $value 1 plus plus, now what it will do, actually it will increase the value by 1. Okay, let me just show you decrement also. So I will say here result 2 equal $value 2, let's say minus minus, so it will decrease minus 1 from the value 2. So what will be the result? The result will be 4, and this result will be 26, because we have added plus 1 with 25, we have subtract minus 1 with 5, and that's why the result is 4 and this result is 26. So if you want to increment, you just have to give 2 plus plus. If you want to decrement, then you just have to mention here or use here 2 minus sign. Now if I go to the browser and refresh, now see the result is 25 and 5. I don't know why. So actually I did some mistake. So these are called pre-increment. If you use this plus sign, double plus sign before the value, variable, then it called pre-increment. Now the result will be 26 and 4. If I go to the browser and if I refresh, now you can see the result. Maybe sometimes you need to use like this if you are in loop, and for now actually we are showing it as pre-increment, because we just want to show the value We just want to show the changes, we just want to show the result, right? Now let's say we want to do square. You can find square value of value 2, so you just have to say here result 3, let's say, equal to dollar value 2. So you want the result of 5 square, so we just have to say it here 2 star sign for the multiplication sign, the multiplication sign here, and here we have to set the value, let's say square, so we'll say here 2, and if I echo it, we just copy it and paste here, and I will say here result 3, and I hope it will show 25 also. Refresh, now you can see we have value 2 is 5, and we set the square. Okay, so why is actually 16 here? Because now our value 2 is, for the decrement, it just change the value to 4, and now actually our value 2, these variables value is now 4, because we already decrement or already decrease the value, right? Now it will do 4 square, not 5 square. So here, if you refresh, now you can see 16. If I remove this line and result 2, let's say I don't want to show this result, and now if I refresh, now you can see 25, because now actually it will not decrement any value, because we did not use pre-decrement here, and that's why its value will be 5 also, and then 5 square, because we have set here 2 star sign for the this is called multiplication sign, so we have set 2 times, and that's why it will work as square, and that's why 5 square means 25, and this is the result 25. So I hope you understand. So that's it. Thanks for watching.